the NASDAQ 100. These tend to have some foreign exposure, but I believe it's about 90% domestic. And these are the top 100 companies in the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's made up of over 4,000 companies, and the NASDAQ 100 is the top 100 non-financial companies in the NASDAQ. I always like to remember the NASDAQ's a little bit more modern. As you can see here, over the 5 days, it's up about 1%. So about 3 times as robust as the Dow Jones, a little bit less than 3 times. The S&P 500 does about double what the Dow did. The NASDAQ did almost triple what the Dow did. So we're seeing kind of a correlation here between how these indexes perform. We're going to take a look at the year to date. Now the NASDAQ 100 has actually done about 3.25% positive. So if you've been into a lot of that techie type of stuff that's in the NASDAQ 100, overall looks like you would have made a pretty good return considering it's been a bad year for the market with all those terrible Trump tariffs that we've heard about, the apocalypse. But somehow the markets have been managed to be a tiny bit up or relatively flat over the year to date. So I'm hoping, my friends, that you haven't lost too much money recently. If you have, you might want to talk to your financial advisor. Ask them why. And if you're looking for some tips or perhaps a change or a second opinion, feel free to reach out to me. Always happy to talk to people specializing in high net worth individuals and small businesses that need help with their investments. Over the last 1 year, it has done 16%. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. It's done about double what we might have been expecting if we're searching for 8% in what's been an absolute terrible year, according to so many people that I've been hearing about. We've all heard about the bad news of the economy. However, all of the major indexes have been outperforming the 8% significantly, of course, as of the timing of this video, for the last 1 year. Over the last 5 years, it has done 120%. Has your portfolio been doing 24% a year? I hope you've enjoyed learning just a baseline of what some of the American indexes have been doing, the ones that we most commonly watch over time. I always like to look at the more recent times, which are often affecting our day-to-day feelings. But remembering, since we're long-term investors, we're looking at the long term of the indexes and seeing how they're doing. And I think recently, last 5 years, they've been doing surprisingly well. I hope your stock portfolio has also.